Welcome to Top Fast in-depth analysis of PCB manufacturing processes. We will break down the entire process. From drilling, copper plating, electroplating to LDI exposure, and delve into technical specifications and evaluation standards for different devices and environments. Focus of this issue, the cornerstone of PCBS. Key material science for copper-clad laminates, CCL. Its core requirement is thermal reliability, must withstand component heat generation, and is self-extinguishing in extreme conditions. The industry quantifies flame retardancy through FRS ratings. Among them, FR4 epoxy glass fiber cloth-covered copper-clad laminate is the absolute mainstream. The typical structure of FR4 is like a sandwich, copper foil on top and bottom, prep reg in the middle. Prep reg is glass fiber fabric impregnated with epoxy resin. Prep reg baked to stage B, used for laminate molding. Choosing copper-clad laminates is like choosing the foundation for a mobile phone. The key parameters for copper-clad laminates are glass transition temperature, dielectric constant, and coefficient of thermal expansion. TG can be generally regarded as an indicator of the material's temperature resistance rating. For standard FR4 laminates, TG typically ranges between 130 C and 140 C. If user requirements exceed this range, optimizations can be implemented. TG can be increased to approximately 160 C to 200 C, with a corresponding increase in costs. Next, dielectric constant. For high-end products, PCB traces become denser at high signal transmission frequencies. This density makes traces more susceptible to crosstalk, negatively impacting signal integrity. Therefore, selecting a CCL with a lower dielectric constant delivers superior performance for high-speed signal transmission. CTE is also a critical parameter. Larger PCB areas are more prone to thermal expansion and deformation during subsequent high-temperature processes like SMT. Mitigation strategies include modifying the resin within the laminate or reducing the resin content ratio. These modifications can compromise the CCL's electrical insulation properties and chemical resistance. Thank you for reading. We will continue to share in-depth knowledge about PCB technology.